The system and client created calculations displayed on the Consolidated tab of the Consolidation process screen are executed against the parent currency data of the level 0 members of the contribution total consolidation dimension member, but excluding the level 0 members of parent total which have already been processed. This consolidated data or node data, which is always stored in parent currency, is specific to the parent-child combination and the parent-child consolidation requirements based on the parent to which this data is being contributed. If an entity resides in more than one branch of the entity hierarchy, then multiple instances of the node data are stored on a parent-child basis. All data is proportionalized at the parent-child consolidation percentage and returned to the proportion consolidation dimension member. If ownership management is not enabled for the application, the consolidation percentage is 100%. Otherwise, the required percentage is retrieved from the Manage Ownership screen settings. Standard eliminations are processed based on an account's is-intercompany and plug account settings. Data with a partner entry in the intercompany dimension for any account set as is-intercompany and with a valid designated plug account participates in the elimination process. When eliminations are processed, the lower of the consolidation percentage between that of the entity and that of the partner is taken and posted to the elimination consolidation dimension member. When eliminations occur at a parent level of the entity hierarchy, the cumulative consolidation percentage of entity and partner determines the elimination percentage. The elimination amount might be 100% or less than 100% of the proportionalized amount. However, it can never exceed the proportionalized amount. If the consolidation percentage at which an entity contributes to its parent changes from period to period, then an opening balance ownership change calculation is processed. Opening balance is always carried forward from closing balance of the prior period. If the parent-child consolidation percentage changes, then an adjustment is required in the current period such that the adjusted opening balance contributes to the derived closing balance at the current consolidation percentage. If indirect cash flow is enabled for the application, the adjustment is posted to the acquisitions movement when the consolidation percentage increases and to disposals when the consolidation percentage decreases. Cash flow changes resulting from a change in consolidation percentage or method are reported as acquisitions or disposals on different rows of the cash flow statement to other cash changes. Opening balance ownership changes are posted to either the proportion or elimination consolidation dimension members to match the source of the opening balance being adjusted. After proportionalization and standard eliminations are applied, client-created consolidation rules are run. The administrator uses configurable consolidation to create these rules. Links to videos that explain configurable consolidation rules are in the description. The remaining system and client-created rules are similar to those applied to entity currency and translated currency. However, these rules are applied to parent currency for the node consolidation dimension members. If the partner elimination feature is enabled for the application, then client-created configurable consolidation rules can write data to a point of view outside of the entity currently being processed. To write this partner elimination data to a different entity, you need additional client-created calculations that source the partner elimination data. The partner elimination rules are executed after each generation of the entity hierarchy are processed and are returned to the elimination consolidation dimension member of the relevant entity. All partner elimination entries are returned to the partner elimination data source dimension member to distinguish them from entries generated by the entity itself. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.